Ever wondered what are the things that human can't control? They are time and space. Good morning to your respected coordinator, teacher, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. I am Riyansha, Bista, currently studying in grade 10 A2, and today I will be telling something about time and space. We all regret about something, whether it is about our mistake or failure. We all once wished that only if I could go to the past and change things that are going on currently. Now think that you are 10 years in the future. You are doing a job that you are not satisfied with. You come home exhausted and think to yourself, only if I could go back 10 years and change my future. Yes, you are granted the 10 years. You are in the past. You are living in the past that your future self desperately wished for. Now, talking about space. Space is nothingness or blankness. It is something that we cannot measure with human mind. We talk about our universe, we call it space. Do you know why it is called space? It is called space because no scientists have ever measured how long or how much the space goes on. It just goes on. It leaves us with a question. Can we truly understand the nature of the things that we cannot control? With this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you for listening patiently.